Hi students, I am Irene. Hope all are safe and healthy. In this video, you will learn one of your class 12 computer science topics, file handling. In this part 5 video, you will learn sample Python program using read function. The read function reads at most n bytes if n is specified. If n is specified, it reads n bytes from the given file. The read function reads the entire file if n is not specified. If the optional argument n is not specified, the read function reads the entire contents of a file. Let us consider a text file covid19.txt from eDrive. Let us see the contents of a file now. It starts with 3 dots, stay home, save lives, 3 dots, 3 dots, help stop coronavirus, 3 dots, and the next line is a blank line. And the next line is prevention measures, and the next line is number 1 stay home, number 2 keep a safe distance, number 3 wash hands often, number 4 cover your cough, number 5 sick, call the helpline, and the next line is a blank line, and the last line is hash general public health information hash and dot. This is the content of a text file covid19.txt. Now let us see some Python programs based on covid19.txt file with the reading functions of Python. Exercise 1. Python program to read and print the first 45 bytes of covid19.txt file from eDrive. We are asked to read and print the first 45 bytes of covid19.txt file. But before doing the reading or writing operation on covid19.txt file, the file must be opened first in a specific mode and should be linked with the file object. And also to perform the read operation, the file must be opened in read mode. Now let us consider the program statement. Here the file object COVID file is created equal to the open function is used here to open the file and to create the link with the file object. The open function takes two arguments. The first argument must be the file name and the second argument must be the file mode, which is an optional argument. Let us consider the file name now. Here the file name is provided with full path name along with the rostring OR. When rostring OR is provided, single slash can be used in a path name because rostring OR removes all the special meaning from the given string. So single slash can be used in a path name when rostring OR is provided. Also, the full path name must be given when the given file is not stored in the current working directory. But if the file is stored in the current working directory, only the name of the file with the extension can be given as an argument. Now let us consider the next argument, which is the file mode. When file mode is not provided, the default mode, read mode, will be considered as the file mode. So the open function opens the text file covid19.txt from eDrive in read mode, the default mode, and attaches to a file object covid file. And also the open function creates the file pointer and places it in the beginning of a text file. So now using this file object or file handle only, we are going to do the reading or writing operation. Here the read byte variable is created equal to the file handle covid file dot the read function within parenthesis the number of bytes are provided. When number of bytes are provided, the read function reads n bytes or number of bytes from the file. So now 45 is provided, so 45 bytes or characters will be read from the covid19.txt file. 1 byte represents 1 character, so 45 characters will be read from covid19.txt file. Now file pointer is in the beginning of a text file, so from the beginning 45 characters will be read and will be stored in the variable read byte. So when it is printed using the print statement, it will be displaying all the 45 characters what is stored in the read byte. So now let us see the output. This is the output. The total 45 bytes are printed here. So now let us count the characters now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th one is the space 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27 and slash and character is also included, so it is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. So totally 45 characters or bytes are read from COVID-19.txt file from the beginning along with the /n characters. Let us consider the Python program what we have discussed just now and its output. This Python program opens a text file covid19.txt, reads 45 bytes from it and prints it. This is the output, the total 45 bytes which is read from covid19.txt. This Python program opens a text file covid19.txt but it has not been closed. So now let us see what happens after executing this program, after getting the output on the shell prompt. If the command print covid file.read is provided in the shell prompt. The read function, when it is provided with no arguments, it reads the entire contents of a file, but here the entire contents were not read. So now let us see what is the reason behind this is. Here when the file covid19.txt is opened, the file pointer is created and placed in the beginning of a text file. When the next statement read 45 it is executed, it reads from the beginning of a file pointer, that is from the beginning of a text file. So the total 45 bytes were read. So when covid19.txt file is opened, the file pointer was there in the beginning of a text file. From the beginning, the read command, it reads 45 bytes. So from the beginning of a file pointer, the 45 bytes were read. Now the file pointer is in the beginning of 46th byte. So when we apply any read functions on this covid19.txt file, it reads from the 46th byte. So that's why here when read function is provided, it has read from the 46th byte but the entire contents from the 46th byte. So the read function, when it is applied with the file object, it reads from the last position read. So this was the last position. So here 45 bytes were read already. So file pointer was there in the beginning of a 46th byte. So from the 46th byte, the entire contents of covid19.txt file was read for the read function. So remember, the read function, when it is applied, it reads from the last position read. Let us summarize. The three file reading functions are read, readline and readlines. While the read function reads some bytes from the file and returns it as a string, readline reads a line at a time, and readlines reads all the lines from the file and returns it in the form of a list. In this video part 5, you have learned to work with sample Python program using read function. Coming up next, sample Python programs with reading functions, video part 6.